I welcome you all for the course Grammar and Usage for Undergraduates. In this module, we are going to learn the topic articles. There are two types of articles in our language. They are definite article and indefinite article. The comes under definite article. A and an come under indefinite article. Definite article the is used to denote particular thing. Let's see some examples. Kindly give me your book. Kindly give me your book. Your. So somebody's book. Okay. Next sentence. Kindly give me a book. Any book in general. Kindly give me the book. Okay. I am asking the particular book. So on that case, we are using the definite article. Now we are going to learn different pronunciations for the word the, T-H-E. It can be pronounced as the and also can be pronounced as the. Okay. Before consonant sounds, it should be pronounced as the bike, the pen, the peacock, the shirt, okay, the basket. So before consonant sounds, we can say the. Before vowel sounds, it should be pronounced as the. Okay, like A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels, but we have to consider the sounds. So before the vowel sounds, we should say the elephant, the ice cream, the ink bottle, the ass. So before consonant sounds, we have to say the. And before vowel sounds, we should say the. Next, we move on to the usages of this definite article the. First one, to talk in whole. Okay, I am going to say the lion is a ferocious animal, which means lion in general. Okay, in the whole world, I am going to say about lion's characteristics. Okay, so that I am saying that the lion is a ferocious animal. Next one, if you are going to mention again and again, talking about again and again about a particular thing, then you have to use the. For example, Ravi is a good boy. Again, I am going to talk about him. Okay, so I am going to say the boy. So Ravi, it's a masculine gender, so I am saying the boy. The boy always reads books. So like that, if you are going to give more information about the first sentence, we have to use this definite article the. Next usage, before the names of musical instruments, we have to use the. Okay, Hari plays the veena. Okay, the veena. V is a consonant, so I am saying the veena. John plays the guitar in the function. Next usage, that can be used before superlative. Tanush is the tallest boy in our family. Okay, Tanush is the tallest, superlative form. So before superlative degree, we have to use this definite article. Okay, Tanush is the tallest boy in our family. Next usage, the can be used before adjectives. Okay, this politician works for the poor. Okay, for the poor. This politician works for the poor. That NGO helps the disabled. So before adjectives also we have to use the definite article. Next usage, before the celestial bodies or heavenly bodies, unique things like the sun, the moon. Okay, so before sun or moon or any celestial bodies, we have to use the. The moon is very beautiful today. The sun is very hot today. Like that we can frame sentence. Next usage is before the names of newspapers like the Hindu, the Indian Express, okay, the Economic Times. So before the names of newspapers, we have to use the. The Hindu is the best paper for the youngsters to improve their English. Next one, before the names of mountains, rivers, seas, oceans and canals. For example, the Himalayan mountain, the Himalayas, the Ganges river. Okay, for sea, the Arabian Sea. Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. For canal, the Suez Canal. Like that we have to use the. Next usage is we can use the for a group of islands, hemisphere and directing something. Okay. For group of islands, the Maldives. For hemisphere, like northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere, like that we can use the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere. And for direction, like the east, the west. The east is the best direction to build a house. So the east, for east we are using the, is the best. So best again superlative, so we are using the. The east is the best direction to build a house. Our next usage is to be, the can be used before religious books and historical monuments. The Quran is the holy book of Islam, the Quran for religious books. The Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, like that we can use the before this religious books. Next, historical monuments. The Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal has marvelous architecture. Okay, for historical monuments also we can use the. Next usage is before the names of trains, ships, rockets and satellites. For train, the Tuticorin Express, the Titanic for ship, okay, the Agni 3 for satellite. So anything. For these names we have to use the. Next usage is before the names of hotels, restaurants, libraries, museums, theatres, malls and clubs. For these also we can use the. The Royal Meridian for hotel, okay, the HB Hotel, the Kanimara Library, the Egmore Museum, the Shanti Theatre, the Phoenix Mall, the club, like that we can use the. And here we have to learn some more exceptional cases, okay. For example, if the owner's name is used as hotel's name, like Sangeeta's Hotel, means we should not put the, okay, because it's a personal noun, right, personal name, Sangeeta. So before that we should not use the, even though it's hotel name we should not use. Sangeeta's Hotel, that's all. Jack's Restaurant, that's all. Okay, we should not use the here. Next usage is before radio and television. Okay, because before these words we have to use the. I heard the news in the radio. Okay, I have seen the movie in the television. Okay. Next usage is before the nationality. Okay, before the nationality, for example, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Assamese, the Korean. So before nationality we can use the, but not for the nation. Okay, only for nationality we can use the. Next one is names of countries, like group of countries, like plural, like states or republic or union territory, we can use the. The United States, the United Nations, the Czech Republic, like that we can say. Next we are going to see where we should not use this article, the. Okay, where we should not use. The should not be used before personal names. Before names we should not use. Next one, festivals like Diwali, Holi or Pongal, we should not use. Only we have to write Diwali is a festival, that's all. Okay. And months, before months, April, January, we have to write. Okay. We should not use before the, for these months and days. And Monday, okay, Monday is the first day, like that we can frame, but we should not use the. Continents. So all these 7 continents we should not use. Before these continents name we should not use the. And next, size, that is number, size. So before size also we should not use the. Now we move on to specific usages of this definite article the. Okay, he is going to school. He is going to the school. See 2 sentences. He is going to school. He is going to school. My father is going to the school. See, both the sentences are correct. See the difference. He is going to school. My father is going to the school. So he is means the boy. Okay, the boy is studying in that particular school and it's routine work for him. So he is going to school. Okay, it's regular work. But my father is going to the school, which means his father is going to pay fees or going to meet the teacher, okay, for some other purpose. So on that case, we can say my father is going to the school. Okay, here we are using the. Next example, my uncle is going to hospital, which means my uncle is a doctor and he is going to hospital for his work. So I am saying my uncle is going to hospital. But my neighbor is going to the hospital, which means he is sick, he is not well and is going to get treatment for his physical ailment. So on that case, I am saying my neighbor is going to the hospital. Okay, let's see the next one. Indefinite article. A and an comes under indefinite article. A is used for singular and it is used before consonant sounds. Okay, like a banana, okay, a cup, a pen, a pencil. Okay, it is used before consonant sounds and it's used for singular things. Okay, a doll, a pen, like that. But an is used for vowel sounds. Okay, an orange, an her, an ice cream. Okay, here we have to learn a specific thing. Like, see, we are saying an umbrella, right? So, U is there. Okay, umbrella, but we are pronouncing that umbrella. Even though the U spelling is there in the word, we are saying it's an umbrella, a sound. So, we are using an umbrella. We'll see the next example, university. Okay, university. See the spelling, yes, U is there, but how we are pronouncing university? U. Okay, it is not a vowel sound, right? So, it's a consonant, so we are adding a university. Okay, we should follow or pronounce the sound, not the letters. We have to put a or an by listening the sound, not by the letters. Okay, next one, a or an must be used for acronyms. Again, a for consonants and an for vowel sounds. Here also, like an MBA. Okay, M is a consonant. Okay, when you are seeing the letter, it seems it's a consonant. But pronounce the word M, A-M, right? So, A is a vowel sound. So, we are using an MBA. The same is for an MA. So, we have to pronounce the word and then put a or an. Okay. And one more important thing here, we should not use a or an before plurals or uncountable nouns. Okay. We should not use a or an before these two terms like plurals or uncountable nouns. For this example, he wears black shoes. Okay. He wears black shoes. Okay, so before that we are not adding any article here. Okay, it's a plural, right? So, black shoes, that's all. Okay, let's see the usage of a and the. Okay, let's see some examples. Mr. Harsha sat down on a chair. Mr. Harsha sat down on a chair. It's a general, okay, any chair. He is sitting in a chair, that's all. Okay, next one, Mr. Harsha sat down on the chair next to me. Okay, I am pointing out a particular chair which is beside me. Okay, I am pointing out the particular chair. So, Mr. Harsha sat down on the chair next to me. I am pinpoint the particular chair. So, I am saying on the chair. Okay. Next sentence, my brother is a doctor. This is profession. Okay, so I am saying he is a doctor. He is a doctor. Next sentence, he does not like to go to the doctor. He doesn't like to go to the doctor, which means he doesn't like to go to the hospital or go to see the doctor. So, on that case, we are saying the doctor. Okay, he doesn't like to go to the doctor. He doesn't like to meet doctor. Okay. Next sentence, a boy and a girl were fighting in front of me. Okay, a boy and a girl. The first sentence I am saying a boy and a girl. The next sentence I am going to talk about the same boy and same girl. So, I am using instead of a, I am going to use the. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, a boy and a girl were fighting in front of me. The next sentence, the boy. Okay, a boy becomes the boy. You are repeating the subject. So, we are using the boy. The boy was her brother and the girl was fighting for chocolate. Okay, here a boy and a girl is changed into the boy and the girl because it's repeated one. So we are using the boy and the girl. Okay, let's sum up the content. In this module, we learn two types of articles and its usages. Follow the rules and apply it to frame grammatically correct sentences. Thank you and happy learning.